Now, with the Para-Volley Africa Championships scheduled for Kigali, Rwanda from September 13th to 17th, first approaching, the national sitting volleyball team is not happy with how the government has been facilitating them for the said qualifiers in the Para-Volley Africa Championships. Now, Team Kenya, which is yet to travel, is expected to field both the men's and women's para-volleyball teams to fight for one of the 4 tickets, 2 for either gender, reserved for Africa in the next year's global competition.
Sitting volleyball competed without a kit. We don't want to repeat that station because that direction. We want a station where players are being released, players are being supported, so that we can perform. We cannot expect performance when we are not getting support. We reported for the camp for 3 weeks without any cent. These players have struggled. Most of them are doing business. How can we convince them that at least because we want to encourage them to come out from the street, not to beg.
But these resources are also not unlimited. We end up sometimes not having the resources. But I'm glad to say that as we send our team to Rwanda to participate in the Para-Volleyball Championships World Qualifier, the government has supported them to the tune of Kenya shillings 8 million. And they have a shortfall that would have really been better if we got some support from the private sector and others, well-wishers.